Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, I am your teacher Tahira Yasmin. Today we are going to start our third term syllabus. This is unit number 4 and lesson number 8. The name of this lesson is building houses. Students, a house is a building or shelter where people or animals live. People all over the world live in houses. A house is a place where a family can live together. It is a place where people can keep their things safely. हम घर क्यों बनाते हैं और कैसे बनाते हैं? हर इंसान अपने लिए इस दुनिया में एक दफ़ा घर ज़रूर बनाता है. A house keeps us warm when it is cold outside and keeps us cool when it is hot outside. It also provides us shelter when it rains. घर जो है वो हमें गर्मी, सर्दी और बारिश से महफूज रखता है. जैसे ही बारिश होती है हमारी कोशिश होती है कि हम जल्दी से अपने घर चले जाएं. Dear students, there are different types of houses such as single family house, apartments, bungalows, cabin and castle. Small houses have only one or two rooms, but big houses have more. They have a drawing room, they have bedroom, bathroom and a kitchen. Some houses also have a garden. Huts are made of straw and logs. Huts जो हैं वो straw से और लकड़ी के blocks से बनती हैं. Tent is a temporary or seasonal shelter. टेंट हम आर्जी तौर पर लगाते हैं. अगर हम कहीं पिकनिक पर जाते हैं तो हम टेंट लगा लेते हैं या गर्मी और सर्दी से बचने के लिए हम टेंट लगाते हैं. Students, the material we use for the construction of buildings is known as building material. जो भी मटेरियल हम कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसे बिल्डिंग मटेरियल कहा जाता है. Houses are made of stone, bricks, sand, cement, clay and wood. Many other materials are also used. Iron or steel is used for pillars in the walls. Wood is used for doors and windows. लकड़ी जो है उससे दरवाजे और खिड़कियां बनाए जाते हैं. Many people help to build houses. Dear students, घर को एक इंसान नहीं बनाता है. बहुत सारे लोग मिलकर ये एक टीम वर्क है. इसमें बहुत सारे लोग काम करते हैं तब जाकर एक घर बनता है. The person who first works on a house is an architect. Before all the other work begins, an architect designs the new house and draws picture of it. The architect makes a plan which helps other workers to do their jobs. Plumber. Plumber fits the pipes and taps. Laborer digs, lifts, carries things and also helps other workers. मजदूर चीज़ें उठाता है जैसे कि ईंटें, गारा वगैरह और दूसरे वर्कर्स की मदद भी करता है. Bricklayers. Bricklayer fix the bricks on the walls. Carpenter makes windows and doors. कारपेंटर जो है वो लकड़ी से दरवाजे और खिड़कियां बनाता है. Electrician puts the wires and plug points. इलेक्ट्रीशियन बिजली की वायरिंग करता है। पेंटर paints the walls and wooden frame. Dear students, we use different tools for building houses. वो औजार जो कोई भी इमारत बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो टूल्स कहलाते हैं, जैसा कि हैमर, ड्रिल, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, चिजल, सॉ, पाइप रेंच वगैरह। ये सारे औजार इमारत बनाने में इस्तेमाल होते हैं। Tools are very useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them in the wrong way. Use them carefully. Dear students, this was your lesson number 14, which was about building houses. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Now we will move towards exercise. Students, this is page number 43 and we are about to do question answers. Question number 1 is, what materials are houses made of? The answer to this question is on the screen. Houses are made of stone, bricks and cement. Now the second question is, what parts of your houses are made of wood? The answer is, windows and doors are made of wood. The third question is, talk about the difference that you can see between a block of flats and huts. Answer is, a block of flats are made of stone, cement and bricks. Huts are made of straw and logs. Dear students, question number 4 and 5 are omitted. These are not included in your syllabus. Now students, we will move towards the next part of the exercise, which is on page number 44. Part A is omitted and this is part B. Look at these houses. They are houses in other countries. Talk about them and find out what they are made of. The first picture is of igloo. This is made of ice blocks. Second picture is a straw hut. It is made up of wood and straw. And the third picture is yacht. It is made of parachute. Last picture is a log cabin. It is made of logs and wood. Now students, this is the part C. Name the person who puts in the pipes and taps. A plumber. Number 2. Works with wood. A carpenter. Number 3. Designs the house. An architect. Number 4. Carries, lifts, helps and digs. A laborer. Number 5. Does the electrical work. An electrician. Number 6. Builds the walls with bricks. A bricklayer. Number 7. Puts plaster on the walls. A plasterer. Students, part D and E is omitted. These are not included in third term. Now you will read this lesson carefully. You will write this exercise in your notebook and also learn it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.